What if I told you your car's biggest problems, transmission issues, rough idle, and even those check engine lights, could actually be fixed for free? No mechanic, no tools, and no expensive bill. Just 7 simple reset tricks that mechanics hope you never find out about. These resets can save you thousands in repairs, and most take less than a minute. And the last one, it can clear every warning light on your dashboard and make your car feel brand new again. Let's start with the master reset that mechanics use but never tell you about at number 7. Battery disconnect reset. The battery disconnect reset is the ultimate fresh start trick for modern cars. By simply removing the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes, you effectively wipe clean the memory of the car's main computers, including the engine control unit, ECU, transmission control module, TCM, and body control module, BCM. This clears stored glitches, resets adaptive learning, and forces the system to relearn from scratch. It can solve rough idling, stalling, random dashboard warning lights, and even strange transmission shifting behaviors. After reconnecting, your car may feel slightly different for the first 50 miles as it readjusts to your driving style. Mechanics often use this reset behind the scenes to clear nagging issues, then charge hefty diagnostic or labor fees. In reality, it costs you nothing but a few minutes. It works on most cars built after 1996 and is one of the most powerful resets you can do without tools. If your car feels haunted by electronic gremlins, this reset is your nuclear option. 6. Throttle body reset. Over time, your car's throttle body can lose calibration, leading to rough idle, hesitation, or sluggish throttle response. The throttle body reset is a quick way to restore smooth performance without special tools. Here's how it works. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. Press the gas pedal all the way to the floor and hold for about 10 seconds. Then release it, turn the key off, and wait another 10 seconds. Finally, start the car and let it idle untouched for about 5 minutes. This sequence forces the throttle control system to erase corrupted adaptation values and relearn proper idle and throttle position. It's especially effective for cars built after 2005 with electronic throttle control. What mechanics might charge $150 or more to reprogram, you can do in under a minute at no cost. The reset eliminates unstable idling, high revving, and poor throttle response, often making your car feel instantly smoother and more responsive. 5. ECU reset without touching the battery. Most people think resetting the ECU requires disconnecting the battery and losing all your radio presets, clock, and personal settings. But there's a hidden key sequence trick that clears engine adaptations without erasing your preferences. The process usually goes like this. Turn the ignition to on. Press the gas pedal 3 times within 10 seconds, then turn the key off and wait. After about 10 seconds, start the engine normally. This reset clears short-term fuel trims, throttle position memory, and idle speed adjustments while preserving things like your favorite stations and clock settings. It's especially useful after cleaning the throttle body, replacing air filters, or if the engine has been sitting for weeks and runs rough on startup. Unlike the full battery disconnect, this reset is surgical, targeting just the ECU without touching other systems. The result is smoother idle, restored throttle response, and better performance. It's a free fix mechanics rarely tell you about, but it can instantly breathe new life into your car. 4. Transmission reset. Automatic transmissions. Learn your driving habits over time, adjusting shift points and engagement based on your style. While this sounds smart, it can backfire. The system sometimes learns bad patterns, causing harsh shifting, slipping, or delayed response. Mechanics often suggest costly repairs or even rebuilds, but in many cases, the fix is as simple as a reset. With the engine running in park, turn the key off and on 5 times within 10 seconds. Then, slowly shift through all gears twice. This wipes the transmission control module's memory and forces it to relearn fresh. At first, shifts may feel firmer or unusual, but after 20-30 miles of driving, the system recalibrates smoothly. This reset can save drivers thousands of dollars in unnecessary transmission work. It's effective on most vehicles built after 2000 with electronically controlled transmissions. If your car feels like it's fighting you at every shift, This free trick might restore performance instantly and save you from a $2,000 repair bill. 3. Check engine light, reset. The dreaded check engine light often triggers panic and expensive dealership visits. But in many cases, it's just a temporary glitch that you can clear yourself. There are 3 main reset methods. First, disconnect the battery for 15 minutes to force a full system reboot. Second, turn the ignition to on and press both the brake and gas pedals for 20 seconds, then release and restart. Third, cycle the key from off to on 3 times, ending in on, then start the car. All 3 methods clear stored fault codes in the onboard diagnostics (OBD) system. If the light stays off, it was likely a one-time hiccup. If it returns after a few drive cycles, the issue is real and needs attention. This reset is especially helpful after replacing sensors, cleaning components, or when the light appears after minor issues like a loose gas cap. Instead of rushing to pay diagnostic fees, try one of these resets first. You might save yourself hundreds in unnecessary repairs. 2. Power window, reset. Modern power windows use position sensors to know when they've reached the top or bottom. Over time, these sensors lose calibration, causing windows to behave erratically, sticking, reversing unexpectedly, or requiring multiple presses to move. A simple reset can restore proper function in seconds. Close the window completely, then hold the switch in the up position for 10 seconds. Next, lower the window fully and hold the switch in the down position for another 10 seconds. Repeat this process for each window in the car. Some vehicles also require keeping the door open during the reset. This recalibration teaches the window control module the full range of motion, ensuring smooth operation. Mechanics may charge $100 or more per window for this simple fix, but it takes under a minute at home. It's particularly useful after replacing a window regulator or when the car battery has been disconnected. Instead of living with stubborn windows, a quick reset brings them back to factory behavior for free. 1. Door lock, reset power. Door locks can sometimes behave like they're haunted, cycling randomly, unlocking right after locking, or refusing to respond at all. These problems usually come from timing mismatches between the actuators and the body control module, BCM. Luckily, a reset can fix it without replacing parts. Here's the trick. With all doors closed, turn the ignition key to on and press the lock button. Then switch the key off and press unlock. Turn the key back to on and press lock again. In some vehicles, the driver's door needs to remain open during part of the sequence, so check your manual if needed. This forces the BCM to resynchronize with the actuators, restoring proper lock timing. Once complete, the annoying random cycling stops, battery drain from faulty locking ends, and your car becomes secure again. Dealerships often recommend costly actuator replacements, but many of these possessed door lock issues are solved in seconds with this reset. It's a simple fix that saves money and frustration. Why pay thousands when most problems have free fixes? These reset tricks can clear glitches and save serious money. Don't let dealers charge you for what takes seconds to do. If this helped, smash that like button and share it around. And subscribe now. You'll never miss another car-saving hack.